Hello guys, welcome back. Yeah, today I'm in Pak-kret. It's 1 p.m. in the afternoon and I am absolutely starving. There's only one problem about today. It's the weekend before New Year. So a lot of these places are all closed. We're going to find something though. Let's go guys. It's been a while since I've been out this way. There is a market over here. If all else fails, we could go over there. But I think we're going to walk up towards the river. There's that noodle restaurant there as well. So we could try some noodles today. I'm very hungry though. We do have a duck restaurant. Come back here if we can't find anything. And we've got moo grub as well. I want to go and check out the river first. So someone in the comments a few videos ago asked me if I could do a Penang curry video. I've been looking all weekend and I just can't find one. They have it in the mall, but you want to see street food really, don't you? This stuff smells really nice. It's called jackfruit. Right, we're heading just down here. I can hear a lot of loud music up there, so yeah. There's a noodle restaurant here. Last time I came it was closed. They finished really early. So, let's go in there today, yeah? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've ordered the egg noodles with tom yum and pork. This place is pretty cool. Some of the old Coca-Cola. Nice old TV. It's like stepping back into a time machine to the 1950s. Okay, so we've got your stuff here. Let's have a look. Chili flakes. And chili vinegar. Oh, chili vinegar as well. We're going to go for the flakes. And these ones, the salmon skin. I don't know how much they are. Yeah, I don't really, I'm not too keen on them. There it is, look at that, that's alright, isn't it? Okay, so I love tom yum. I love these wontons as well. Yeah, good. Big piece of the pork in here. Cut for a piece of pork. Need a spoon as well, don't we? Better. So these are like pork ribs. That's a big piece there. So, let's try this. That is good. No need for chilies on this one. It's spicy enough. These lumps of pork. Some of them got the bone in the middle still. That's just solid pork. So that was soup. Oh my god. That is fantastic. Oh, I'm really liking that. That pork just melts in your mouth. That is another fat piece of pork there. One's got a bone in it still. Oh, these are really, really tasty. This pork is just falling off the bone. It's fantastic. I'll leave a link for this place in the description. If you're in the area, you can come and check it out. I think Mark Weens would like this one. Or Mr. Butler. I'm going to crack on with this and I'll see you when we get the bill. Wow, just wow. Swaddy crab, any towel crab? Hock sip, thank you. Cup and cup. How about that? That's one of the best noodles I've had for a very, very long time. It only came to 60 baht. Anyway, let's go walk to find something else to eat, so I'm still a little bit hungry. Right, it's very noisy around this area. So, I hope we don't get copyright. I guess these guys are getting ready for the new year. Anyway, let's go check this river out. No idea what's going on here. I think they're waiting for the boat. Beautiful looking fish. What I'm going to do, I'm going to walk back towards the bus stop and we'll get something there. Looks like he's having a good time. Okay, so this is where the bus stop is. What we're going to do, we're going to have a little walk down there because I haven't been down there for a very, very long time. Let's go check it out. Probably nothing down there. But, oh, this restaurant here is Michelin star. I've looked at this on Google. It's very expensive. But the menu looks fantastic. You can sit right next to the river. Alright, so we can go up here and turn right. Look what he's got there, Penang curry. A Penang? Oh. God, if I knew that was there, I would have eaten that. They've got no chairs anyway. So that's what we've been looking for today, and it's the first one I've seen. I like walking down places like this. Get to the pier there. This place, look at this. These are 20 baht noodles. You buy 3 bowls, you get 1 for free. So, I think I might just end this video with a drink and go out again in a couple of hours to make another video. A bit greedy, innit? Eating 2 meals in one video. Yeah, we'll go up to the 7-Eleven. Can you guess what I'm going to drink today? Let me know in the comments. Are we going to get a hello and welcome? Okay guys, so today's drink, we're going to have a Nescafe Gold Creamer Latte. Sounds posh, doesn't it? tastes good though. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share it with your friends, up to you. Anyway, catch you later.